the heart open.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mystic Marlow presents the only 10-in-1 circus puppet sideshow in the world. You're gonna see 10 acts live on the inside. As you see these banners painted here, you will see all these acts live here today. I am your noble ringmaster, master of ceremonies, and host with the most, the ringmaster. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first act today, I'd like to bring up Howard the Huge. He's the biggest, fattest, funniest man in all of show business. 829 pounds. It takes a boxcar to lug him and 4 guys to hug him. He's the biggest, fattest, funniest man in all of show business. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are out here at the beach, enjoying the beach and the water, how many of you have seen a mermaid? Me too. I got one here with me right now. It's Millie the Mermaid. Hi, Millie. Hi. Yeah, Millie here. She is a cut above all the other mermaids. Yep, she is mermaid from the sea.
Nice.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, now, Millie, tell these people about the great seashells you found down there on the beach. All right, let's hear it for Millie the Mermaid.
Woo!
Yeah,
Millie.
hey, all right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, up next is Miss Wind, the escape artist. She's gone with the wind. So, wait a minute. Hey, you're supposed to do your act. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Where'd she go? Oh, she's gone with the wind. No wonder.
And she gets away again.
One more time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard about the 3-legged man. Well, see him live. He is the 3-legged soccer player. He's the only one to kick a ball in 3 different directions. How you kids doing? Well, not scaring you, am I? Hey, now up next is the 2-headed man, otherwise known in some societies, the Eaton. What's he eating? 2 different things. It's Finn and Fawn. They're 2-headed. Hey, wait a minute. No, that's. Hey, wait a minute. Who are you talking to? Hey, wait a minute. Hey, left, no, right, left, no, right, no, left, right, no. Okay, it sounds like I'm gonna have to put this guy away because he's almost like the dog around here. Hey, you know, we do got a wild man that works for the show.
Whoa, look out for the wild man. You gotta really say look out for the wild man because people need to look out so you don't hit them.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our featured act, we've got the world famous giant, 8 foot tall, towering above them all. It's the giant from up north. No, he doesn't play basketball. I thought about that. Sir, yes? You know Jack? No, you don't. Okay. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, for the world famous sword swallower to be coming up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the sword swallower. He's gonna sit here and he's gonna swallow a sword right before your very eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, watch him as he stuffs the metal sword all the way down his throat. They say, down the hatch without a scratch. Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, he is the sword swallower. Thank you very much.
Yay!
Bye. And I am Mystic Marlow. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is the very second show of this act that you've ever seen. It's all conceptually created. Right.
So cool.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, they really liked it. That's the whole show?
Yeah, that's
Is everybody?
Yeah,
Yeah, that is, huh?
I've developed some better material, but
Yeah, no, that was pretty good. You forgot a lot of your lines, though. I knew a lot of your lines. I was like waiting for you to say them. I've heard you say them 10,000 times, and you didn't say it.
Boy, that's pretty good.
Yeah, you had a lot of people stop and watch, and they really liked it, yeah. All right, so now, all right, here we go. I'm going to hit.